Chimereze mada pogina ya oye chimereze mada pogina oyo.
Good road is one of the things that boasts a particular locality, and once a particular city or a corner in any state gets a good road, it boasts the economic activities of that particular area. For the people of Ohanku, it's like a dream come true for them. For over 20 years and counting, they have not experienced the filth of a good road until the arrival of Dr. Alex, which is few years in months in office, have actually brought a few realities of good governance in the city of Aba. Also, I'm reporting directly at the Iheorji market here in the city of Aba, just along the Ohanku road, to actually hear and get the reactions of the people of this particular place, especially those women trading at this particular market, about how they feel, and also their enlightenment about the ongoing reconstruction of this particular road that is taking a center stage. For the few of them, in fact, for a 20-year-old boy, this is the first time he or she will actually be experiencing what they call a road that is smooth of water and also some potholes on it. So my name is Michael, I'm officially reporting from the city of Aba, Ohanku Road here for Model TV.
Chineke aha m Madam Meli n'ụkọ.
Okay.
Ebe a nọ na Iheorji market. Eziokwu. Iheorji danu lele imama tanam dalele. Danu lele imama ya debuba. Danu lele imama tu lele imama tu. Imama go imama chukwu lele o danu lele o imama ya debube unless you got 100 years ndị ọha fere na Ohanku Road unless you got unless chere gawa mbombo unless chere gawa mbombo unless chere gawa mbombo.
Okay, mommy, before now, okay, what was that in a lot of that before?
Chirigawa mbombo, chirigawa mbombo. Ifenya dị anyị mma. Ezoku, ụzọ dị anyị mma. Ansales. Ihe gọvanọ dịka Les akọla anyị n'Abia steeti. Talk less of Aba. Ebe emesịrị Ohanku Road, moto, keke, machine gbaa n'elu. Chai, Alex Chineke m gọzie ya. Afa Jesus.
Like for how many years could Nobula Town Loza?
Chineke me. Nani otu ọnụ Tofiakwa. No more than 10 years. I've been with 10 years. Ọkara 10 years and suffer gidere na Ohanku a. Ma onye ukwu ma onye nta ma ndị nwale. Ma